right here is school? Okay.
Yeah, they just built
Across the
that.
street is a school too.
Yeah, yeah. But they just built that, and when they built it, the fence that they put up, they set it back 6 feet. So what she's saying is that they deeded that 6 feet to this property. Now we have to verify that, you know, and everything. But where the fence is 6 feet over is really where the property line is for this property.
Okay.
Or that's where it was originally. And she bought the school, and you know, so as a concession, they gave her 6 feet.
And what about the apartment building on the other side? Do you know? They're condos. Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
And they're all occupied, it looks like.
Yeah, there was one that was vacant.
Okay.
I'm not sure if it sold or not, but there was one that was vacant, and it was a duplex unit. It was like second, third floor, something like that.
Do you know what things are like in the summertime back here on the
the
beach?
lake?
Is it
Yes.
rowdy?
It's not at all.
Really?
It's when I'm shocked too, because when I come over here, it's a basketball court right there. It may be I've seen maybe 4 people out there on the basketball court. You don't see people like walking or running.
Wow.
Is that a good or bad thing? Are they
Well, I
afraid
think it's
to
a
walk
good thing.
around?
No,
Or
I
they-
think it's a good thing because you know, they just extended Lakeshore Drive, and they're about to put in that whole
Lake Point
development.
development.
Yeah,
You
big
know about any
development.
kind of city security around here? I mean, do they have cameras out on the lake, or you know what the patrols are like?
I know that they just they're putting a lot of money into the lakefront and
So-
from 79th Street down.
Right.
You know, they extended Lakeshore Drive,
Right.
So that's
when
brand new.
yeah.
and then
So maybe they're ready to make a good investment in this area. That would be
related,
nice. You know.
the real estate company related, they're spearheading a development over there. It's supposed to mimic the South Loop development and the South Side, and so you've got a lot of good public transportation. And they've added, or they're projected to add routes just for that development. The
Now
you know,
it's like
the water
about a mile
reclamation.
and a half away, right?
Yeah, the water reclamation district is over there. So there's really nothing as far as the lakefront. You've got the basketball courts. You've got like handball thing. You have the marine where they dock. They put in some of the boats.
Tell you what.
The no, right here. And when we walk back, I can show you. You can
Okay.
see the end of it. And then on the other side is tennis courts, and then it's just lakefront. So it's pretty. It's surprisingly very quiet. When I drive over there,
There is
to
a-
get to the lakefront.
Beach right here, though, right? So
Yeah,
are
it's-
there, you know, lifeguards and actual?
Yeah, but there's not
Beach activity.
many people out there.
Yeah.
And some of the homes and buildings, they have their own private beachfront where they, you know, I guess it's like deeded, so they have their own little private, like,
Oh, that would
you'll
be
see
nice.
them have fire pits and stuff out
Right,
there.
right.
But it's very quiet. I was even surprised because I was over here a lot throughout the summer, and just seeing
And
what's
would
going
you
on.
feel
with
safe? We're jogging up
would.
and down the lake
I
down here.
would.
and-
Yeah, there's
Okay.
nothing. I mean, it's like, does anybody know about this place?
Wow, wow.
Because it's quiet. You might see, you know, a few people walking, a biker or two or something like
Are
that.
there, so there's paths back there, sidewalk trails?
Yeah, there is a path.
Okay.
Yeah, and then the beach
Do they ride
starts at
bikes?
79th
Is
Street.
it a bike path? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's a parking structure just on the side of the building I'm going to show you. And there's a bunch of parking. And if you drive over there, you'll be able to see it, and you'll see the building, you know, from there, and you kind of get a lay of the land that way.
Okay.
But yeah, yeah, it's like a